All right, so I am here today doing a YouTube channel review of Stock Moe. But before we start that video, guys, use the link in the description down below to sign up with Acorns. Once you sign up with Acorns, you're going to be entered to win a free Visa gift card worth of $100. So, guys, sign up with Acorns this weekend. Also, once we hit 6,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing an Apple stock giveaway. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, and you'll be notified when that happens. Now, let's jump to the video. Actually, also, hit the Discord, guys. Use the link in the description down below to hit the Discord. It's good here. We're talking a lot about stocks, and we're trying to keep it going. So join it. It's free. Nothing, no cost, no nothing. We're just here talking about stocks. Okay, now we can actually jump to the video. So what are my thoughts on Stock Moe? Now, I've actually gone through most of his channels. He blew up this last year. And what do I think about him and his information? Now, I like the way he, let's say, does his research. He has his knowledge and experience, and he knows how to do research. He teaches his information pretty well, and he's good to an extent. Now, he teaches good things of how to actually do research and stuff like that. So I like that. He was a financial advisor, he was a teacher, and now he's teaching on YouTube. And he has a big platform. So I like what he does because he teaches things fairly easily. Sorry, I'm not going to get copyrighted, so I had to stop that. But like I said, I've gone through all his videos. I've liked what he's done to an extent, but I don't like how he recommends stocks now. The stocks he recommends are really, really aggressive. And I understand it. He's trying to get views, and a lot of these people that are looking at his channel are, trying to make money quick, and he's milking that. So I just don't think that that's a way to invest, especially a new investor. Now, I'm not criticizing him on how he invests. I believe that he's making money his way. I don't criticize how people make money. As long as they're making money, it's all good. But the methods he's using are really aggressive, and I don't think new investors should be investing this way or trading this way because they tend to lose a lot of money. And I've known people that have followed other YouTubers that have lost a lot of money. And they've come to me and they're telling me if I could help them recover, and I'm helping them slowly. But again, they screwed up. You guys have to understand that these ways of investing are really aggressive. And right now we are in a big bubble. Okay. So when that pops, you guys are not going to be making the same amount of gains. People have been saying, well, I've been up over 40% in my portfolio in the past year. I've been up over 200%. So, I'm not talking anything, that's better than Warren Buffett, but at the end, it was because it was a really good year. A lot of people made money because we had a crash and we recovered that crash. But if you look overall, everybody's been making money. All the stocks have been going up. People bought into Palantir. That thing went up to whatever heck price it was, and then it collapsed. Same thing with CCIV. It went up to like $60-something, and then it crashed back down, and it hasn't recovered. Why? Because it was a huge bubble. We're in a bubble, guys. You have to understand that. Everybody's making money left and right. It's easy to make money right now. You cannot call yourself a professional trader just by saying that, you made money this past year. You have to have a track record of actually making money over 5 years. And I've been making money for, 7 years now. And I've been investing for 12. I've still made some good returns in my early years, but there were a lot of losses. And I learned from that, and I've successfully traded for 7 years. So, I've had a good track record. Now, I've had really, really good returns on my portfolios, and I only had a 12% return yearly average. I did have one good year where I blew up like crazy, mainly Tesla and Apple, and those gave me huge returns, but, that's a different story. My average is about 13%, and that is considered really, really good. So I'm considered part of the 10% that are successful traders. So, yeah, guys, do I like Stock Moe? I like the way he gets information. I don't like the stocks he recommends. They're too aggressive, especially for new investors. And you have to understand that he has a lot more money than you do. Let's say he has about $300,000 in several portfolios. You guys don't have that. So if you guys put all your money in one portfolio, like let's say his YouTube portfolio, and that thing crashes down, you guys lose all your money. He doesn't. He only loses a tenth of his money. So that's the thing that I want you guys to understand. It is huge risks. He makes this clear that he makes huge that they are huge risks. So that's one thing you have to understand, guys. He is heavily into EV stocks, and I feel like we're in an EV bubble. Not every EV company is going to succeed. You have to understand that they're not. You think ChargePoint, Neo, all these companies might succeed. They might. We don't know. They might, but most likely they're not. Who is going to dominate the EV market? Either the big companies like Tesla, bigger companies like Honda. When they get into that sector, I mean, these companies aren't going to let themselves, lose. So you have to understand that, guys. There's companies, like I said, that people were all into Nikola. Nikola is a garbage stock, okay? And, all they've been doing is stealing money from people. So, and people are still buying the Nikola stock. So, I mean, they still have hope for it. But, I mean, if you really do research on it, you know that it's a bunch of BS. But, this shows you that these people are not going to succeed. So, I mean, I'm not saying you can't succeed the way he invests. You can. Of course you can. But, again, it's less likely you are, okay? You have to understand that, let's say 100 people are investing or trading. Only 10 of those are actually going to make successful trades, and only 1% are going to become wealthy from that. Okay, that's one thing you have to understand. And most of you guys out here, I see a lot of YouTube channels out there that claim to make all this money with these option trades and all this stuff. I mean, they're not, okay? They are not beating the market by so many digits. They would actually be shown in the records. People would be talking about them and stuff like that, and they're not. So that's one thing you guys have to understand. Investing and trading is not that easy. And these people here make it seem very easy. For me and my channel, I try to not make it sound that easy because it's not. It's hard work. It takes a lot. So that's one thing I want you guys to understand as well. Like I said, I give Stock Moe overall a 7 out of 10 just because I like the way he teaches things, the way he tells people of how to actually get information. I just don't like the stocks he recommends, especially for new beginners. If you're a more experienced investor and trader, then I would recommend looking into it because people do their own research that actually have more experience. People that usually are new, they just look, hey, this guy's buying into the stock, I'm going to buy into it too. And that's what happens a lot. So that's just the thing I want you guys to understand, because I've known people that have watched a lot of YouTube channels that lost more than $20,000, and they've lost a lot, and that's real money there. You have to understand that that's real money that people worked really hard for. So I'm just trying to review these channels, making sure they're good, and giving you my honest opinion on it. If I piss off people, then I'm sorry. I'm not here to be someone that's gonna take things lightly. You get me? I'm just gonna be telling you as blunt as it is. I'm gonna be looking at these people's YouTube channels and being honest with what I've seen. Again, I'm not gonna criticize him for the way he makes his money, because he can make money his way and I make money my way, like I said. But at the end, it's the information that people take, that use it, that ends up affecting them. And like I said, most of these people, like let's say he has over 50,000 plus, very few are going to succeed. All those other ones are going to fail, and they're probably already failing now. So, and that's all I want to talk about in this video. If you guys did like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys next time.